Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make a lobster salad, right? Growing up, we commercial fished lobster and we, we know how to cook this 100 different ways. So I've cut these for the sake of time, but I'm going to show you. You want to take the meat out of the shell first, right? So simple way, you come with a scissor. This will work with Florida spiny lobster. You can also do Maine lobster, will work the same way. You want to take the meat out of the shell, and then what we're going to do is we're going to boil the meat, and we're going to cook it for 4 or 5 minutes. You don't want to overcook the lobster, or it'll get really hard, and then nobody's going to enjoy it. So I like to cut them right down the middle. This makes it a little bit easier to get all the meat out of the shell. And this is super easy. You guys can make it at home. You can get the lobster. And really it's super easy ingredients. It's olive oil, salt, pepper, and onions. And we're gonna show you that. But once you cut it in half, it's so easy to just get your finger right underneath the shell there. And you're just gonna pull up very gently and take the meat right out of the shell. See, there's nothing left in the shell. You wanna take all the meat out. And then we're gonna put this in a pot and boil it. Like I said, 4 or 5 minutes. You don't wanna overcook it. Take it all out of the shell. And guys, if you're here and you wanna get fresh lobster, if you don't go and catch it yourself, we've got a local fisherman, his name is Abel. He's a commercial fisherman, and you cannot get the lobster any fresher than how he sells it. He actually keeps them alive. He's got an awesome filtration system. And when you buy the lobster from him, they're alive. When you go home, I mean, it doesn't get any fresher than that. Almost done here. Now we've got them all out. We're gonna bring our water to a boil. We're gonna boil them for 4 or 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll show you the rest of the steps. Okay guys, so we got the lobster boiling in the pot. Now we're gonna take the onion, and we like to use a sweet yellow onion when we do our lobster salad, but I guess it's to your preference. You could use, really any onion that you like. We like the yellow onion. And then what you wanna do is you wanna cut it in half, because you want to cut the onion so it's in like half moons. I'm going to peel the onion back. And then now, to do that, you want to cut the onion. So you got it in half, you cut it in the other half. And if you take a look here, you can see the curvature of the onion. And then you want to take your knife and you want to do very thin slices down the onion. And then we're going to break these apart so that they're individual. Now you've got them all cut. You can take your bowl here, and what you want to do is just separate them. Right? They come apart really easy. Get them all separated. I like to get any big chunks. I like to leave those out, cut them a little bit finer. Because the star of the dish is going to be the lobster. You don't want people getting a big chunk of onion, and nobody loves to eat big chunks of onion. I don't think they do. If you like big chunks of onion, leave me a comment. Or maybe you could do yours with big chunks. So I'm gonna keep going on the onion. We got a couple more minutes here on the lobster, and then we'll come back and show you the rest. All right, guys. So now we've taken the lobster out of the boiling water, and what you want to do when you take it out is so while we were on the break, we got ice, and you want to put it in ice water, right? Because that's going to stop the cooking process. And now you take it out of the water, it keeps cooking, and your lobster is going to be really, really hard. We finished cutting up the onion. We've got the onion in there. Now what we want to do is cut the lobster into little pieces, and we're going to throw it into our bowl. Beautiful lobster pieces. You can chunk it up, you know, if you want to do it smaller. You can also take it just takes a little bit longer. You could take the lobster and you could rip it apart and shred it. It's another way that you could do it. I like to just chunk it up into little chunks and throw that into the bowl. And today we did 5 lobster tails. I mean, obviously you can make this as big of a dish or small of a dish as you'd like. And we got the pot covered up here, and I'll give you a little secret that my mom likes to do, is that when she does this and she boils the seafood, that water that's left over in the pot when you boiled it makes for a great seafood broth. So if you want to make a soup and you need seafood broth, that is a perfect broth to use. She likes to take it and pour it into some Ziploc bags, like big gallon-sized bags, and she'll freeze it, and then she'll bring it out and bring it to boil when she's gonna make a soup. And she's got that broth with whatever seafood she cooked in there. So now we've got it all in. We want to get all of it into the bowl there. Now what you want to do is you want to get your olive oil. You really need it to be extra virgin, right? It's going to have the stronger olive oil taste. And you're just going to pour it into your bowl. You want to pour a lot. It's going to coat everything. And then you want to pour some salt and pepper. Now this is a cold dish, so when you eat it, it will be cold. Crack some pepper in there. Give it a good mix. Take a look at how good that is. I mean, it's something you could do in less than 30 minutes, and it is a beautiful lobster salad. Guys, give it a go. Let me know how it works out for you.